Imagine creating something once and watching it sell every single day without touching it again. That's the power of digital products with AI. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create digital products using free AI tools, step by step, even if you've never created anything before. By the end of this video, you will know what to make, how to package it, and how to publish it so it can start earning for you. Here's the plan. Choose the right product, generate the content with AI, and design it, package it, and publish it. Digital products are one of the easiest ways to start earning online because you create them once, and they keep selling. With no inventory, no shipping, no delays. Thanks to AI, you can produce planners, journals, templates, spreadsheets, and more without design experience. Your only job is to start with one simple idea. Go to Etsy or Gumroad and look for top sellers. Check categories like Notion planners, social media templates, budget spreadsheets, or printable journals. Pick something simple, because simplicity sells. Now, let's build the content using ChatGPT. This is where the magic happens. Open ChatGPT and ask it to create the structure for your product. You can say, create a 20-page gratitude journal with prompts, page titles, and short inspirational lines. Or create a weekly planner with categories, labels, and scheduling sections. In seconds, you get the full outline, ready for design. Now take that content and move into Canva. Choose an A4 or US letter document. Search for a template that fits your vibe, then customize it. Use Canva's AI features like Magic Design to generate layouts and Magic Switch to copy styles. Use page duplication to build multi-page templates fast. Keep your design clean and simple. People want clarity, not clutter. When it is ready, export it as a PDF or as a shareable Canva template link. Now let's package it. Every digital product needs a good cover, a clear description, and easy instructions. Ask ChatGPT to write a high-converting description for your product. Create a cover page in Canva using a mock-up frame to show the product in use. Inside a folder, include the final PDF, the instructions, your thank you note, and the editable Canva link if you are offering one. This becomes your final digital download. Next, upload it to Etsy or Gumroad. Add your description, your images, and your keywords. Price it between $9 and $25 depending on the complexity. Use keywords like digital planner, printable workbook, or productivity template. These help your product get discovered. Finally, it is time to promote. You can use AI for this too. Use ChatGPT to write captions. Use Canva to create static posts or short reels. Use Pictory to create a simple video preview of your product pages. One post can send hundreds of visitors to your listing. And that is the full workflow for creating digital products using AI tools. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe, because I post new AI side hustle tutorials every single day. And grab your free AI Money Starter Kit linked below. It includes 5 prompts and 3 beginner workflows to help you build your first digital product fast.